Xin chào các bạn, mình là Brooklyn Day. Hi everyone, my name's Brooklyn. Today's video is gonna be a little different. I'll be sharing an audio recording of me and my husband Vũ doing an IELTS speaking test. There won't be any video like usual. This will be the first episode in a new series called IELTS Speaking with Brooklyn. I wanted to create an audio playlist you can listen to while studying, doing the dishes, or just doing whatever you do throughout the day. It's a way you can practice again and again, and hopefully it will help you prepare better if you're planning to take the IELTS test. This is a speaking part 2 response with my husband Vũ as the examinee. You want to say hi to everyone, babe?
Yeah, hey everyone, this is your boy Vũ, and welcome to IELTS Speaking with Brooklyn. Let's get it.
All right, Vũ. Now, I'd like for you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes on a topic. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to begin. And here's your topic, pencil and paper. You're going to describe a habit you want to develop. You should say what the habit is, why you want to develop it, how it would help you, and what steps you're taking.
Okay, so describe a habit you want to develop. This shouldn't be too hard. And I got a minute to prepare, right?
Correct.
Okay, so, well, I've been trying to wake up earlier, like 5:30 or 6 a.m. So I think I'm gonna go with that. Okay, so waking up early, 5:30, 6 a.m. And why? Because I want to have more time of the day getting stuff done, and I just personally feel inspired by those get up early to do whatever they want. And how am I going to do that? Well, maybe try to go to bed earlier and like no phone after 10, read a little bit, and just have something to look forward to the next day. Like listening to a podcast or read books, and maybe have some kind of sleep tracking apps and something like that. And I think that this habit will help me feel better, and maybe I can tell a past experience, like how I felt after waking up early. And I think it's just a really good mindset to lead, to have a better outcome for my life.
Okay, I think it's been a minute. It's time for you to take the test now.
It's been a minute already?
Yep.
Oh. Okay, give me 5 more seconds.
All right.
Okay. I think I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Okay, so a habit. One habit I've been meaning to develop for quite some time now is waking up early. Ideally around 5:30 or 6 a.m. And it may not sound revolutionary, but for me, it represents discipline, focus, and the ability to take charge of my day rather than just letting the day go by. And I've always admired people who wake up early and use those quiet hours to meditate, work out, journal, or just simply prepare themselves mentally for what's ahead. It seems they utilize the time so well, so sometimes it does make me jealous, just because I'm not really good at it. There's a few times I've managed to wake up early, and I noticed that I was significantly more productive, calm, and centered throughout the day. But sadly, I tend to fall back into the habit of staying up late and just hitting the snooze buttons repeatedly the next morning. There's a couple of strategies I'm planning to do to implement for building this habit. First, I want to set a strict bedtime routine. So maybe just no phone after 9, no screens after 9 p.m. Maybe a cup of tea, non-caffeine of course, and maybe reading a book to wind down. Second, I'm trying to associate waking up early with something that I truly enjoy. Something like listening to a podcast or going for a walk, so that I can actually look forward to it. And I'll probably need something to keep myself more accountable. Something like accountability tools like sleep tracking apps to track my progress, or to track to make sure I stay consistent. I believe cultivating this habit would have a tremendous effect on other areas of my life, and I would have more time for deep work, more control over my schedule, and hopefully more peace of mind. And it's not just about waking up early for the sake of it. It's more about being intentional with how I live each day. And I think that kind of mindset can be a real game changer. That's probably it. That's my response.
Okay, thank you, Vũ, and thank you guys for listening. I hope this new series will be helpful to you. Goodbye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.